We have gray. Wait lang po sa code, ma'am, ha. We have gray. And we have brown. Denim ang kanyang stripes, ma'am, ha. Denim. Super nice. And napaka-comfy. Very, hindi siya nainit, ma'am. For this, ma'am, my side pockets. Na-shock ko. My side pockets, ma'am. Ayan, pwede siyang ganyan. And pwede niyo siyang i-close, ma'am. Ayan, close. And if gusto niyo mang may air, open niyo po yung bottom. Pwede po. Ganyan. And pwede rin pong ganyan. Oh, pwede rin pong i-open lahat. Help me. Wait lang po. Ayun. Pwedeng ganyan, ma'am. Zip up, zip down. Pwede po. Ma'am, pako dito, ma'am. Wait lang. Pa-code na lang, ma'am. AD Coords, ma'am. I am wearing black, ma'am, for only 2,000 pesos, ma'am. Free air cargo. First week of June ng ating ETA, ma'am, kami po yung magdadala. Free size, ma'am. 40 bust and 40 waistline. Ganyan yung kanyang design, ma'am. Maana di ay. Ma'am, denim ang kanyang stripes. Ayan yung likod. Up to 40 waist and 40 bust line. Ma'am, yung kanyang details, ma'am. I love it. Ayan, pwede siyang ganyan. And if naiinitan kayo, ma'am, just open the bottom.
Go, palitan ko yung midnight ng dark denim 2XL. Si Ma'am
Anchu?
Carla, Austria.
Please ko bebe. Ma'am, code, ma'am. AD Coords black. I am wearing black. AD Coords navy. AD Coords navy. Ma'am, free size si AD Coords. Cotton ang kanyang material and it has denim na stripes. Wow.
Si Ma'am Gemma.
Ma'am Gemma, thank you, Ma'am Gemma. Thank you, Ma'am Gemma. Ma'am, I am wearing, code natin sa suot ko, ma'am, for only 2,000 pesos. 2,000, ma'am, free air cargo, ma'am, minimal pasabay charge. I am wearing, ma'am, AD Coords color black. KD Coords color black. AD Coords navy. AD Coords navy. AD Coords gray. AD Coords gray. And last